Salam, welcome to Mama Love YouTube channel. Today I am making Makhandi halwa. This halwa is a different version of Suji halwa. Let's make it. 1 cup Suji, Semolina, 2 cups whole milk, mix together and leave it aside for about 2 hours. Heat half cup ghee in a heavy bottom pan. Half cup monk fruit sweetener. Keep the heat low. I cooked for 15 minutes after adding the monk fruit sweetener, but the sweetener did not caramelize. You can use allulose sweetener or confectioner sugar for caramel color. Do not let the sugar burn or the halwa will be bitter. Now add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 3 tablespoons sliced almonds, 3 tablespoon raisins, 3 tablespoon chopped cashews, 3 tablespoon sliced coconut. Add half the quantity of nuts, reserve remaining for garnish. Fry for 2 minutes. Carefully add soaked semolina and mix it well. I add a pinch of color. This is optional. I cooked on low heat till the ghee separates. Then I cooked on medium heat for 45 minutes till the halwa become crumble dry. As the halwa cooks, it will gradually turn light brown and hard. These are the signs that you are cooking halwa correctly. Now halwa is ready. Garnish it with reserved nuts. Enjoy this delicious and yummy Makhandi halwa. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.